Okay, making the green disappear in the background is perhaps one of the fun bits. What we'll do, we'll go back to the beginning of our video, and I'll just put the playhead at the beginning as well, so there it is. And then we need to click on this little tab at the bottom called Video Plugins. You click on it, and these things here appear. Now we're interested in just one of these at the moment. It's on the 2D plugins, and it's called Chroma Key. You click on that, and some information appears underneath. Now what we'll do is we'll click and we'll hold it, and we will drag it onto this video track here, the blue one, and then let go. And you'll notice that then the Chroma Key option appears underneath it. So I'm going to click that arrow, and then what I need to do is set the colour. Now what you're going to have to do is a lot of fiddling involved with this. The first thing is to click on the eyedropper tool just once. So you click on it, and your mouse turns into an eyedropper. Now whatever colour you click on, that's the colour that's going to vanish. So I'm going to take it over to the green, and some of the green will start to vanish. There we go, just a few tiny dots. You probably can't even see it there. What I now need to do is increase the tolerance until a lot of it has gone. And now I've got a predominantly black screen. So if I take my playhead along now, you'll see some of the dinosaur, but the dinosaur's vanishing as well, so I need to decrease my tolerance a little bit. And you'll end up with not all of the green gone, but the majority of it. Ooh. And then you can fiddle around with these bits if you want. If you click on invert, the opposite will happen. It'll take away, it'll keep the background, it'll keep everything that's colour, and get rid of things that aren't. Now with this software, you won't get a perfect finish, but you get a reasonably good one. It needs to be fairly light, and you might need to tweak it a bit more. So I might just take a different colour sample and increase the tolerance there. And that didn't work too well, so I'll take another one. And this is what you will have to do. You'll have to be quite fiddly, because what it does isn't going to be perfect, but I'm reasonably happy with that. Now, why is this bit here not fading away? Well, perhaps that bit was bent over, or maybe it's got a shadow cast on it that's giving it a slightly different colour. Why bits of the dinosaur vanishing? Well, maybe they've got shades of green on them. Whatever you do, don't wear green when you're doing this. Now, you don't have to use green. You could use blue as well. So that's always worth a try. But whatever colour you set the eyedropper to, that's the colour that will vanish in the background. If we undo all the tolerance, it reappears. Okay, so now that's done it for that video track, and if we play it, you can see the dinosaur moving around until we get to the next clip, and all of a sudden we're going to have to do it again. So remember, we go to Chroma Key, you click, and then you take it down to the video track. Blue one here, and then it appears underneath it. Click on the arrow, get the eyedropper tool, select a green colour, oops, do it again, and then okay, I'll just move that forwards and see how happy we are with that. The next step is going to be putting a background in, and once you've done that, these little green flecks that are left aren't quite so noticeable.